Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the woodwork challenge. Not much else to say. I'm going to be able to record my next real soccer match, so that'll be up Sunday night, hopefully. If not, it'll definitely be up on Monday. It'll be up on Saturday night. But if it's not up on Saturday night, it'll be up on Sunday. Yeah, okay. Let's get started. So what we're challenging, you have to hit the crossbar or pretty much any frame of the goal. And I am including the middle too, so yeah, I know. Cheap, but just so I'm not here all night. Ow! That was so close. I'm mainly going to be going for the crossbar because that's the easiest one. But if I hit it back here, I automatically get 5 points. This is the flat size 4 ball too, so if I hit this, I'm legendary. Okay, but no. Oh no! That was so close. First time I shoot, but I'm not going to shoot just because I'm a little dummy. No. Oh no! So close! No looker? Look like a good finish though. Alright, here we go. Crossbar. Maybe how about we try a different ball? That was obviously too, because it was left outside. And it's pretty much ice, and that's why I caught the mix. And I went into the ball, but now I'm in the crossbar. Yes! No. Are you kidding? That was gonna hit. Oh my god, if I would have got that. Comment if I should move the goal. I'm not sure where I'm going to move it to, but it's in the way, and I just can't really deal with it right there because of the power line. It messes up a lot and stuff. So, 2 in a row? No. See, that's a bad ball. Alright, how about from a free kick? Free kick decision. I'm going to have to curve it around the rebounder. There we go. Maybe right post. Oh, that was an epic finish, but it's not top corner. Again with the flat ball. Yes! Let's go! Okay, I'm on a streak now. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure this is recording. Okay, good. You're recording. Keep on doing that. Okay, I have a foam ball. If I hit this. But if I hit the camera, again, you have to like and subscribe. Okay, guys, now we're going to try left-footed. It's going to go horribly wrong, but not bad. And I'm toe punching with my left foot, so this hurts. If I hit the post with a Rabona, I'm going to end the video. I'm going to sign up for Barcelona. Joking, but still going to happen. No. If that had more power, that would have hit. I'm weird. Outside the foot and back here. Now this is the other end of my house, which you cannot see anything. But if I have to curve this around one of the fireplaces outside. So see how this goes. Oh my goodness. Run! Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment whatever you want. And always the crossbar button.